The IM30 is a reliable and accurate single-meter saw for wood and polymer moldings, ideal for smaller volume framing workshops. It includes the following elements: base with dust collector and connecting tube, meter saw, diagram support arms, sliding flip-up stop, technical manual, circular blade, optional automatic air clamp system. First step, fasten the saw to the shock absorber cylinder by applying the bolts applied. Then apply the hose that is used to vacuum the sawdust and deposit it in the vacuum cleaner bag. The dust collector turns on and off with this switch. To insert the blade, we must first remove the yellow plate by unscrewing the 3 screws. We remove the left flange by unscrewing the hex nut. Attention! To unscrew it, you have to turn the nut clockwise. The circular blade must be fixed so that the internal hole goes completely into the pin. The 2 slide holes are used to secure the blade more firmly. We then apply the flange and screw counterclockwise. Finally, we put back the plastic protection and the yellow plate. First, you need to fix the bar that serves as a support to the diagrammed arm. These 2 holes are used to fix the bar to the base. We apply a bolt on the first hole. Then another bolt will be applied to the second hole. The diagrammed arm must be fixed above the supporting bar. Same operations on the other side. Now we fix the arms more rigidly and adjust them in order to get a perfect cut. The adjustment must be carried out bearing in mind 2 aspects. First aspect, the 2 arms must be perfectly aligned against the support bar so that the molding adheres uniformly against the bar. This is achieved by properly screwing the bolts that are inside these holes. To facilitate these adjustments, you can help yourself with the glass ruler or with the molding. Second aspect. The two arms must be perfectly horizontal. This is achieved by adjusting the height of the balls that are pre-inserted on the yellow spacer that separates the diagrammed arm and its supporting bar. The sliding stop must be inserted along the support bar. It can be folded to let the molding slide. The silk-screened lines on the diagrammed arms facilitate the setting of the measurements. The green button is used to start the saw. The red button is used for stopping. To lower the saw, press this button. The saw is able to quickly switch from a 45 degrees cut to a 90 degrees cut or to other intermediate angles. These are the technical features of the IM30 saw. A detailed 34-page manual in English is also supplied with the saw. An interesting accessory supplied separately as an optional is the automatic molding air clamp system. Here we briefly show how it works. More details are shown in the video Mounting Air Clamp System with the IM30 saw, visible on this site. The blades supplied by Rinaldin are particularly suitable for cutting moldings. Blades are manufactured by Freud, recently joined the Bosch group, produced with steel 45 HRC hardness. Blades have 96 teeth of alternating type as shown in the figure. Tensioning and balancing ensure uniform flatness over the entire blade. Soundproof notches reduce noise and improve cut quality. The particular chrome coating called silver ice coating optimizes the smoothness of the blade, lowers the temperature, and protects the blade from rust. You will find the saw with the code IM30 in the Rinaldin catalog and on the website www.rinaldin.com.